Yo, what's going on, guys? This is me, Reload here, and today is a new video, and I know I changed my name from Yudo. I really didn't like it that much. Today is a keyboard unboxing, like you see in the title and thumbnail. I have it right here. I just got it. It's Easter too. I didn't know the male people did stuff on Easter, but if you celebrate Easter, happy Easter. So I have the RGB version. It's the red version you can see right there, but it says RGB right there. Oh yeah, this is like $35 I think on Amazon, so it's a really good price. So there you can clearly see my old Razer keyboard. It doesn't light up in the picture. I thought it did, but it doesn't, so that really didn't help. And one of the reasons why I got this keyboard is because it's so hard to see the Razer one at night. It's really not fun, and when you press E, it presses E twice. I don't know why. And then the S, you have to hit it in a certain spot for it to do anything. Right off the bat, I noticed it's something really small. This sticker right here, it's very high quality, and it doesn't leave anything. Like I just pulled it off of here. It left nothing at all. Great start to the unboxing. I don't know. You pull that sticker off, you pull out on this tab. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my god, alright. Problem. That tab right here, it probably it's like that for like high quality purposes probably. It's very hard to get out. Pull the whole thing up, then your keyboard is right here. So it's in bubble wrap. Oh yeah. They can't make it too nice. It was like $35, $40, and this is a really nice keyboard for the money. This keyboard thing, it's nice. It's hollow. It's plastic and it's hollow, which isn't too big of a deal, but oh, the cord isn't braided either. It smells like pool something. Ooh, this feels really good. So, oh, you get a sticker. Honestly, that's pretty cool. I don't mind that. And this little manual or something, it feels really nice. Like really nice. And the sticker feels really high quality. Dude, everything about this is really good except like it's not braided, but I mean a braided cable for this cheap, it makes sense why it's not. I think it is gold plated. It's gold plated. You can kind of see it. You can't really see it that well, but it's gold plated. This is really nice. Like for the money, this is probably the best keyboard you can get. So this is the Razer keyboard. This is the Red Dragon keyboard. Actually, alright, they're blue. Okay. Oh my god, that's really... Oh, I ruined this. This is way too tight. Then here's the Red Dragon. Alright, I'm gonna plug it in now. That might be a good idea. But honestly, even though it's not braided, it feels really nice. So whoa, that was cool. That was sweet. Oh, it looks so good. I haven't had RGB in such a long time. So on the other side of it, there is rubber feet. So you can see, is this plastic? Yeah, it's definitely plastic. It feels like really high quality plastic, the back plate. So there's rubber feet on here, and then on the ends of the feet, oh my god, I can't get it open. Rubber things. Problem with these though is they will, like, on my Razer, where's the lights? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's modes. Oh, okay. That's cool. This wire's probably been in the way the entire time. That's great. This is cool. I like this a lot. I think it's onboard memory. That's why I did that. Well, I don't know where I was going with this video. If you want a new keyboard, get the Red Dragon Kumara. $36? It is $36 right now. You can't beat that, dude. Like, there's no way you can beat that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That'll surely be appreciated. And yeah, it's been Neato. Later.